Understand what is the meaning of indirect cost. Indirect cost, the expenses incurred on those items which are not directly chargeable to production are called indirect cost. Direct cost were directly chargeable to production. Now these are some cost which you cannot charge directly to production. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वॉचमैन है उसकी सैलरी, अब कौन फैक्ट्री में तो इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, उस पर किसको डायरेक्टली हम चार्ज करेंगे? सो मे बी स्टोर कीपर सैलरी, वॉचमैन सैलरी. ओके, दीज आर इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. The expenses incurred on those items which are not directly chargeable to production. They are not directly chargeable to production. Key line. Not directly chargeable to production are called indirect cost. Indirect costs are incurred for the concern as a whole. पूरे concern के लिए as a whole हमने वो expense किया है, rather than for a particular product. एक फैक्ट्री में, फर्नीचर की फैक्ट्री है, टेबल भी बन रहा है, चेयर भी बन रही है, बेड्स भी बन रहे हैं, डोर्स भी बन रहे हैं. ओके, सो यू cannot apportion it to a particular product. It is for the factory as a whole. Example, salaries of storekeeper. Indirect cost include indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses.